So I found this article on Investor Place, and it caught me for a second. It states why Fisker stock is up 100% over the past 5 trading days. Now, if you've been following my channel or you've been following Fisker stock, you know that it trades now over the counter as a result of being in non-compliant with the large exchange that it once traded on, which was on the Nasdaq, in which it was below the dollar level for more than 30 days. Now, yeah, anything is going to be up this high if price was once at 2 cents, right? It's the law of numbers. And even the steep decline afterwards from roughly 10 cents to 4 cents, again, you're still up 100%. But again, prices were trading at 2 cents. So how did we get here? Well, just bigger picture, most recent price action. Price was coming down, but it was range bound until price just collapsed back in October of last year. And in the process, it did form a drop, base drop, a drop, base drop. And this was a monthly gap, so that's huge. So in the span of 6 months, price formed 2 monthly sell zones. And it kind of gets worse if you look on the daily chart. You see a couple of gaps, 1, 2, and 3. And price couldn't even fill this gap at 13 cents. So what was all the fuss about the 100% increase this past week? Well, again, it's hard to not notice the fact that Fisker stock has enjoyed a truly monumental week. The troubled EV producer has been on its last legs lately after being delisted from the New York Stock Exchange. But even while trading over the counter, this penny stock has proven it just won't die. In fact, Fisker stock has surged more than 100% over the past 5 days. This momentum is due primarily to Fisker's dealership announcement, which have carried it through the week. However, new partnership rumor has also picked up steam recently. While the rumor remains unconfirmed, speculation may also be what's helping the stock stay in the green as investors wait for further details. Now, the company recently reached agreements with dealerships in both Miami and around Europe, but that doesn't warrant the 100% plus gains in the last 5 days. According to the market, what's more, the recent rumor has begun a trend about Fisker being on the verge of a deal with auto giant Stellantis. Now, the rumor, according to EV blog Tesla Mag, states Fisker is in advanced discussions for a partnership with Stellantis, multinational group with brands such as Maserati, Alfa Romeo, and Chrysler in its portfolio. This partnership could notably concern collaborations on EV technologies or the joint production of new models. So that was all the fuss on the move higher. But as you can see from the monthly, the weekly, the daily, prices are still way down. And it's in fear that Fisker may go into bankruptcy. And if they go into bankruptcy, if you own their cars or thinking about buying their cars, well, how are you going to service them? How is Fisker going to service them if they no longer exist? So I anticipate price pulling back to the origin of the strong move higher. So look for price to retest all-time lows again at the $2 level in the coming week or two. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.